How to fix Black Myth Wukong something went wrong. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can solve this particular error on Black Myth Wukong. So these are some possible solutions that you can try in order to solve this particular problem. The first one is that restart your Steam or PC, and this way you would be able to solve this problem. Now if this doesn't work out, then you can run the game in compatibility mode in order to make it work. Now the third option is use the power saver option in order to solve this problem, and you can also run it in admin mode in order to solve this problem. Like just simply right click on your game and run it as an administrator, and this way the problem might get solved. You can modify the compatibility settings in order to check whether the game is compatible with your PC or your device or not. And also one of the problem might be that your antivirus is making it stop. So just check whether your antivirus has allowed this game or not. Also check whether you have sufficient graphics for your device in order to run this game. Disable the in-game overlays, verify integrity of game files, or you can also clear the download cache in order to make it work. If anything doesn't work out, then at last you can simply uninstall the game, then reinstall it in order to make it work. And these are some possible solutions that you can try. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.